You have a long conversation with ChatGPT. You tell it your name, your project, your goals, your preferences. Then you close the tab, open a new chat an hour later, and it has absolutely no idea who you are. This is not a bug. It is called the context window. And once you understand it, you will use AI completely differently. The context window is everything the model can see at once. Your messages, its replies, any documents you paste, and all of it counts toward one fixed limit. Think of it like a whiteboard. The AI can only work with what is currently written on it. Fill it up and keep adding more, and the oldest content gets erased from the top to make room. Context is measured in tokens. GPT-4 holds about 128,000 tokens, roughly the length of a novel. Claude reaches 200,000. Some versions of Gemini go beyond 1 million, but bigger is not always better. Researchers discovered something called the lost in the middle problem. The model pays strong attention to content at the very start and very end of its context window. Whatever sits in the middle gets significantly less focus. There are two ways this affects you. Between sessions, start a new chat, and everything from before is completely gone. Within a session, have a long enough conversation, and early messages quietly fall outside the window. The model forgets them too. Some apps work around this. They save summaries of past conversations or use retrieval systems that pull relevant memories back in when needed. But the base model itself has no persistent memory of its own. This is also why pasting a huge document sometimes gives worse results. Your actual question gets buried. The important signal drowns in noise. 3 rules to work with this. 1. Put your most important instructions at the very start or end of your prompt. 2. Break long tasks into separate, focused conversations. 3. If context matters, restate it explicitly. Never assume the model remembers. The context window is your AI's working memory. Everything inside it the model can use. Everything outside it cannot touch. You are always talking to a model with amnesia unless you remind it. Subscribe for a new AI concept, explained visually every single day.